thunderstorm warning for eastern Florence County, central Marion County, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:58 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Pamplico, or 15 miles southwest of Marion, and moving east at 15 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Gresham, Britain Neck. More dangerous thunderstorms may develop and affect other communities in the warned area. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning,